Just had to have a quick pit stop. My bloody seat dropped, but lovely gravel tracks all around. Training for a gravel race now. First one I've ever entered. A bit scary, but hopefully it'll be alright. Oh. Another quick little stop. Just because I absolutely love this place. As you can hear, nothing but birds. Simply lovely. So as you can see, bamboo furniture set is no more. Decided to throw it because I don't want to use it anywhere, and couldn't bother to try and sell it because selling stuff on Facebook and stuff just hassle. So it's got a tip. If you're wondering why I was wearing a hat and gloves and a big fleece indoors, that is because it's absolutely bloody freezing. Snow's melted a little bit, but it's still bloody cold. So I've had to bring Just Shadow out for a walk because she's, since moving to Scotland, full of energy. So yeah, down there, bloody freezing, as you can see, nice and snowy. Yeah, lovely little walk, with just the one dog. Nice views around. Nice chance to wear my new coat. Beautiful. So as you can see, we had a lot of snow through the night. Woke up to a blizzard watching the F1 qualifying, and it's pretty snowy and windy. Had to shovel a little area out for the dogs because they need to go for a wee, and they're only little. I don't see as well, back here, my rotten old shed that's now a wood store is basically collapsed. I'll show you a nice little close up of that in a minute, and I'll show you a close up of the little patch I cleared for the dogs. See, very wintry, Christmassy. Some of these trees are a bit heavy with snow, I suppose, so the branches are like touching the floor. Wait for it to snap off. I'll show you through to the log store. I've been killed by a tree. Yeah. Should have got a newer one sooner. Not really in the best shape. The normally wood's covered in snow. Let's it'll dry out though. Get a new shed. Just a little patch of glue for the dogs for a wee. A nice little walkway through to the grass. Wonderful. One success, other one not so much. Come on you. So I spent quite a while and a lot of energy shoveling the snow off the driveway yesterday. Just to wake up today, 7 degrees, all the snow is gone, pretty much, with that little bit. Yeah, wonderful. Finally getting rid of our blinds. Jessica on our duvet from watching the F1 this morning. First time seeing Alana use a power tool.
Don't say that, because then you make it sound like I don't do this sort of thing. And I literally do.
Can't really get a very good angle, but today is the day we get rid of our open fireplace and get a log burner fitted. So everything in our living room is gone and covered over. And half wallpapered. Wonderful news. So just a boring little update for you. I've been busy wrapping all the worktops. See these two and that side one. I would have filmed it, but I've got all that to do. I had all of this and all of this. That been pretty boring filming that, but that's what I've been up to whilst Alana's been in over for work. Plus, we've had our log burner fitted, which I'm very excited about. He's finishing off, but very happy with it. As is Jessie. Little sunbather. We've had a frosty start to the day. Lovely out there though.
They're competing, and I'd never say anything bad, by the way, to about that. I would not dare.
Oh, she just toothed me.